In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Outlook with Teams. So the first thing you want to do is just open up Outlook. So it's outlook.live.com, and over here you want to of course first log in with your account or create an account in case you don't have one yet. Now once you're signed in with your account, to actually connect or link the Outlook with Teams, you want to go up here to the very top where you see this button to the right of the Meet Now icon, which is basically this two people over here. So this icon with a T next to it. So click on that. After this, it's going to take a bit to load. It's going to open up a new window and it's going to say welcome to Teams. Now, after a bit of loading, in case you're doing this for the first time, there we go. You're going to see welcome and then your name. And over here, you can press continue. And after you press continue, it's going to take a few seconds again. And after this, there we go, it's going to open up your Microsoft Teams. And the moment you do this, it will connect your Outlook with your Microsoft Teams over here. And then all your data will be connected as long as you are signed in with the exact same account over here. So make sure it's the exact same account. For me, as you can see, it's the same account, same email over here. And you can basically start using those two simultaneously because they are now interconnected. And whatever you do inside one of the apps is going to transfer to the other as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.